make wish from God. Okay? I'll make a wish from God. From the Lord. Yeah. Do it.
Of course, if you have a wish, you just make silent. Oh. Wow. Hello guys, how are you? What today? Today is Saturday. So look, Madam, she is making malaking kaldero. Oh. You see, that one is rice with chicken. Okay, so she prepared this one for everybody. Not everybody, as in everybody, Baghdad. Some person that she can give to them. And this one is the packing. Okay. So, nice. I don't know where is the chicken. Oh, the chicken is later pa pala. And why you didn't make extra for us na? I need pa to cook.
No, I will do for us. This is a lot, by the way.
Ayan nga, oh, you see? Yellow rice, that's what they call yellow rice. And not yet finished. And now I start to eat my breakfast na. Okay, where is my cake?
الزفارة
صدق؟
والله هذا يشوف الجمس.
Oy, sir, where is the milk of Sisi? I man si Sisi. Si sir always forget me the milk of Celine. Ito. Wala ng milk si Celine for tomorrow. And now, okay, they finish.
هاي شغلة
You see her out in the kitchen, very crowded. Now, I eat na lamang in the dining. Okay? I take first my breakfast here. Because I'm very hungry na. It's almost 10:30. I think it's almost 30. Okay. And si Sir. She's very noisy pa si Sir. Ay, nako. For Sisi? Very good. Wow, Sisi. Very good for the cornflakes. Okay? Yela. And mag-eat si Chris. Okay, mag-eat muna si Chris ng breakfast. Ay man, disturbo ka naman din. Yela. Opet. Oh, Yela. Yela, and sit down there, okay? Yela, kay mag-eat muna ako. Welcome. When I finish the room of Sisi, I just finish. What's that of Madam? And later the bathroom because she take shower when they finish the work to cook with Celine. And when I finish the work, to clean the room of Celine, I clean the big balcony also. Okay, and the kitchen is the last one when they finish everything. Okay, and here in the dining. In the dining, I didn't yet finish. Look, I have also decoration like a Christmas tree. Okay, Nila, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I wish that you are still watching of my Simply video here with Sisi. Here in the Baghdad. Ayun yung mga manok. Sarap yung i-fried. So, thank you again. And bye. This one also is chocolate. Until now, it's not yet finished. Okay, bye again. Have a nice day. Happy Saturday to everyone. Good night to another country. Don't throw. I clean that one later, please. Rehab, but I put only that just a minute. I finish the video. Go, bye-bye.